All right, everyone. Today's trading wasn't, well, actually, it was what I expected it to be. I expected it to be kind of sideways, kind of numb. There's every single day, no matter what happens in the stock market, obviously, there's going to be stocks that are going to pop, but don't chase that, to be honest. I would not chase them. And in fact, by the time you figure out they pop, they already did, right? So, a lot of people ask me many times, Mike, this thing went up 70%, 80%, 100% today. How could I have known this? How can I be able to figure this out? If it's a pump and dump, you'll never figure it out from before. You'll figure out when it's already pumping, right? But anyways, guys, I'm getting off the subject. I'm getting way off. In this video, I want to do an IPO review and analysis. Basically, I'm going to review and analyze a company that is going public very soon, right? In fact, you can actually pre-order this right now. What I like about this is there's a lot of things I like about it. At the end of the video, I'll give you my opinion, actually. That doesn't mean because I said there's a lot of things I like about it that it would be something that I would pre-order or trade on day one. But there is a huge company that has invested millions of dollars in this. And in my experience, from all the IPOs I've covered so far through the years, every time, and it's not many times, not many times, that they're involved in pre-IPOs or involved in companies that are going to IPO. I haven't seen them many times, but whenever they are involved, those IPOs are doing well. So that's what draws my attention. It's like, could this do well? All right, enough. We're going to talk about CAVA Group Incorporation. He has filed for a $270 million IPO. This company operates a growing network of Mediterranean-style fast and casual restaurants. All right, it's not your luxury restaurants. It's fast and casual, and it's with the Mediterranean theme in the menu. It's a Washington, D.C. based company, actually, and it was created to develop Mediterranean food and drink options for consumers at its 263 store locations strong, right? That's a lot of stores all over the U.S. Management is headed by the co-founder, president, and CEO, Brett Schulman, who has been with the company since 2010. He was previously partner at Sneaky Snacks, if I pronounce it right, a snack food company. And also the firm sources 85% of its ingredients directly from producers and growers. So that's awesome. And also they have received quite a bit, actually, over $682 million. That's a lot in investments, right? And guess who has invested in this company? Arntel International, which that's fine, who cares, to be honest. But T. Rowe Price, guys, that's it, T. Rowe Price. Every time I have seen a company go public with heavy investor in that company, T. Rowe Price, that company did well. Obviously, that doesn't mean that past performance is guaranteed to repeat itself all the time, right? But it is what it is. So total revenue for the company in 2021 was $500 million. That's $500 million. That's a lot, right? For 263 stores, not bad. 2022, up 12.8%. That's awesome, on $564 million. And in 2023 so far, just for the first 16 weeks compared to that of last year, they're up 27.7%. Revenue growth is insane, you could say, right? The gross profit loss for this company in 2021 was $82 million. 2022 was $97 million. And in 2023, first 16 weeks, $50 million. Gross margin needs to improve, and it has, but it needs to improve better. So 16% 2021, 17% in 2022, and up right now to 24.9% in 2023. Operating profit loss is at 52, then it went to 59 in 2022. Net income loss went 37 to $58 million in 2022.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, You will have full access to our Discord where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
The cash flow from operations went from $3 million to $6 million to $25 million in 2023. And so the company has $22.7 million in cash, $392 million in total liability, and their free cash flow is negative $86 million. Obviously, they're not profitable, right? So it's not a profitable company. It won't be the first or the last IPO that goes public not being profitable. And they're going to offer 14 million shares, $18 a share. Now, this is available for pre-order. If you know this company, you might have eaten at their restaurants and you like it, and you think it's going to become great and so on, and you don't mind paying $18 for it, that's it. The good thing about this whole pre-order part is that, you know what? You can say that I can get it at $18. And if you feel that that's a good price, you can get it at $18. Usually when this big IPOs, go public, they're not available for pre-order. And they'll say those start at 18, and most of the time that's not what happens when they start when they start trading on the first day. They say 18, and then all of a sudden they open to us retail at 20, 25. So if someone thinks that this is worth $18, this is your opportunity right now for pre-order. So the float to outstanding shares ratio is at 12.9%. Market cap is at $2 billion. Enterprise value at $1.7 billion. Price to sales 3.3. EV to revenue 2.8. What else? EV to EBITDA negative 41. Earnings per share is negative 36 cents. Operating margin at negative 6.9%. Net margin negative 6.7%. Valuation score. I'm going to stay on the neutral side. I like the fact that the revenue is growing. Right, revenue growth is insane. It's great. The gross margin needs improvement, but it is improving, so that's a good thing. The total liabilities is at $392 million. Obviously, we would like that to go down and to improve on that, but it's sort of not bad. It could be a problem if there was, let's say, another type of pandemic or recession, but I think it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, I can deal with that. I don't think it's worth $18 a share, to be honest, but T. Rowe Price is behind this as an investor, and from past experience, I've noticed that those IPOs tend to do well. JP Morgan is the underwriter, and I don't like that because JP Morgan always brings inflated IPOs, pricing them at prices that eventually we can get them a lot lower if we wait 6-8 months. So that's that, really. It's a tough one. I'm going to not pre-order this. I'm going to stay out of it, to be honest. I think the company is great. I like the company. But I'm going to stay out of it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you have eaten at their restaurants, at their stores, are they good? Is the food good? Is the price good? Is the service good? Let us know in the comment section below. And I wish you all the best. Take care.